Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got some important news for all you Pixel users out there, especially if you're part of the Android beta program. Google has just started rolling out a new update, Android 16 QPR2 Beta 3.3. And while it might not sound like the most exciting release, it tackles a seriously annoying problem that many of you have been dealing with. So, what's the big deal with this update? Well, it's not about flashy new features or a big visual overhaul. Instead, Google is laser focused on stability this time around. The main highlight of Beta 3.3 is a fix for a major bug that has been causing some Pixel devices to freeze up on the lock screen. I'm talking about that frustrating moment when you wake your phone and it just becomes completely unresponsive, forcing you to do a full restart. If you've experienced this, you know how disruptive it can be. Google has officially acknowledged and addressed this bug. Listed as issue number 457,527,675. So this update should finally bring some relief. This new build is rolling out to a wide range of devices, starting from the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro, all the way up to the latest Pixel 10 series and the Pixel Fold. If you have a recent Pixel phone and you're enrolled in the beta program, this update is for you. The build number is slightly different depending on your model. For the Pixel 6 series, you'll be looking for BP 41.250916. This isn't the first time Google has had to release a targeted fix during this beta cycle. You might remember the recent Android 16 Beta 3.1, which had to address a nasty boot loop issue for some users. It seems like this QPR2 beta phase has been a bit of a bumpy ride, but it's good to see Google actively listening to feedback and pushing out these fixes relatively quickly. That's what the beta program is for. After all, to iron out these kinks before the update reaches millions of users in a stable release. So, how do you get this update? If you're already enrolled in the Android beta program, you should receive an over-the-air or OTA notification soon. The rollout is gradual, so it might take a little while to reach everyone. If you're feeling impatient, you can always check for it manually. Just head over to your phone's settings, then go to System and tap on Software Update. Your phone will then check for the latest version available. For those of you who are in the beta program but are tempted to try it out to get this fix early, the process is still pretty straightforward. You can visit Google's Android beta website and enroll your eligible Pixel device. Just a word of caution. While this particular update is focused on stability, beta software in general can sometimes be unpredictable. You might encounter other minor quirks or bugs, so it's always a good idea to back up your important data before you dive in. These smaller updates, known as quarterly platform releases, or QPRs, are all about refining the system and paving the way for the big public release. With Beta 3.3 now out and focusing on stability, it signals that we're getting very close to the final stable version of the next big pixel feature drop. Historically, these updates tend to land around December, so we're likely in the home stretch. In conclusion, while Android 16 QPR2 Beta 3.3 might not be the most feature-packed update we've ever seen, it's arguably one of the more important ones for users who have been plagued by the lock screen freeze. A smoother, more reliable experience is always a win. If you've been dealing with random slowdowns or that annoying freeze, this update should make a noticeable difference in your daily use. What are your thoughts on this? Have you been experiencing the lock screen bug? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for all the latest news in the world of Android. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.